I have top 5 strengths according to Clifton Strengths. The first one is deliberative, which is you're pretty much a private person. You're on the more serious side, and you're very selective of your people, which honestly is the best fit of me, and I do use it daily. The second one is ideation. You're more on the ideas side. You look at things in a new perspective. You're creative, which I do in terms of like my art and even my job and how to get things done a certain way. The third one is input, which is more along the lines of they're into collecting things, they're inquisitive. This is one of the more shocking things because I don't actually have a lot of collections, but I do like um, inquiring about things and collecting answers, not really collecting material things. The fourth one is intellection, which is more mental activity, constantly thinking, using your brain power, which I do on a daily basis because I mean, everyone does, but you're more into intellectual conversations. You don't like the small talk, the hey, how's your day or how's the weather, um, which is the second one that fits me, but it's the most one that fits Door College because you have to use your brain on how to actually answer the assignments in a more mature and understanding way than the childish responses that we normally do. The fifth one, which I've had since I was a child, is competition. Because I was taught in my household that you don't win by letting someone give it to you, you do it by trying your hardest. Because obviously then it was with the sports, and now, especially me being a woman in the workplace, trying to break the glass ceiling, competition is a big thing, which is what I try and do. So no one can stop me.